Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is Plant-Based Institute in India. So today we are going to study various different institutes in India which are continuously working on research and development in various fields and especially on herbal drugs. CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, is a contemporary research and development organization. The CSIR has a dynamic network of 38 national laboratories, 39 outreach centers, 3 innovation complexes, and 5 units. CSIR covers a wide spectrum of science and technology from radio and space physics, oceanography, geophysics, chemicals, drug, genomics, biotechnology, nanotechnology to mining, aeronautics, instrumentation, environmental engineering, and information technology. On an average, CSIR files about 200 Indian patents and 250 foreign patents per year. About 13.86% of CSIR patents are licensed, and a number which is above the global average. CSIR holds 17th rank in Asia and leads the country at the first position. National Botanical Research Institute. It was originally set up as the National Botanic Garden by state government of Uttar Pradesh. It was taken over by CSIR in 1953 consequently, and the National Botanical Research Institute was formed in 1978. The different areas where this institute is working, which includes Botanic Garden, Distant Research Center, Plant Diversity Systematics and Herbarium, Plant Ecology and Environmental Science, Genetics and Molecular Biology, Plant Microbe Interaction and Pharmacognosy, Science and Technology Support Services. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. It is a frontier plant research laboratory of CSIR, established originally as Central Indian Medicinal Plant Organization in 1959. CIMAP is steering multidisciplinary high quality research in biological, chemical sciences and extending technologies and services to the farmers, entrepreneurs of medicinal and aromatic plants, with its research headquarters at Lucknow, Research Center at Bangalore, Hyderabad, Patanagar and Purara. Research center at different agroclimatic zones of the country to facilitate multi-location field trials and research. CIMAP has extended its wing overseas with scientific collaboration agreement with Malaysia. Mint varieties released and agro packages developed and popularized by CIMAP has made India the global leader in mints and related industrial products. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. It is a constituent laboratory of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, inaugurated on 17 Feb 1951 with a vision to strengthen and advance the field of drug research and development in the country. Today, it has become a unique model for modernized drug research in India, having everything under one roof from synthesis, screening, development, studies. Unique achievements of the institute includes discovery and development of 12 new drugs, of which Emal, Memorisure and Saheli are currently in market. Transfer more than 130 indigenous technologies to pharmaceutical companies, a significant contribution in metamorphosis of Indian pharma industry. Institute obtained more than 350 Indian patents and 90 international patents. National Chemical Laboratory Pune, it was established in 1950, is a constituent laboratory of CSIR, is a science and knowledge based research, development and consulting organization. It is internationally known for its excellence in scientific research in chemistry and chemical engineering, as well as for its outstanding track record of industrial research involving partnerships with more than 55 industries like Alembic, Cadila, Cipla, Dabur, Emcure, FDC, Glenmark, Lipin, Orchid Chemicals, Ranbaxy, RPG Life Sciences, USV Limited from concept to commercialization. Agarkar Research Institute, Pune, Maharashtra. This institute deals with biodiversity, paleobiology, bioenergy, bioprospecting, development biology, genetics and plant breeding and nanobiosciences. National Medicinal Plant Board was set up in November 2000 by the Government of India and has the primary mandate of coordinating all matters relating medicinal plant support policies and programs for the growth of trade, export, conservation and cultivation. Indian Agriculture Research Institute. This institute deals with genetics, plant breeding, plant pathology, microbiology, post-harvest technology. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. This institute deals with plant genetic resource management and use, policy issue on exchange of genetic resources, quarantine and IPR, assessing economic value, conflicts over ownership management and use, national and international treaties and legislation. Jamia Hamdard University, Delhi. The history of Jamia Hamdard begins with the establishment of a small Unani clinic in year 1906 by Hakim Hafiz Abdul Majid, one of the well-known practitioners of Unani system of medicine of his time. He had a vision of making the practice of Unani medicine into a scientific discipline so that Unani medicine could be dispensed in more efficacious manner to the patient. He gave the name Hamdard to his venture, which means sympathy for all and sharing of pain. Hamdard College of Pharmacy was set up with the objective of providing education and training in all branches of pharmacy. Jamia Hamdard offers postgraduate and doctoral program in several disciplines for which advanced facilities are available. Hamdard Laboratories in Unani and Ayurvedic Pharmaceutical Company associated with Hamdard Foundation, a charitable educational trust. So all these are the leading institutions which are working continuously in research and development and giving patents to our country and give a prestigious position to our country in herbal drug industry. They are working continuously, but if more if more efforts are taken to improve the quality and more focus is done to ensure the quality of herbal formulation by standardizing herbal formulation and setting stability protocols for each and every herbal formulation, so that they can stand in international market. And if application of novel drug delivery system is done in herbal drugs, which will improve the therapeutic effect of herbal formulations, and coordinated work from government, different institution and industry will lead India in a new era of herbal drug industry. Thank you.